Handy Hudsonite here. We're going to talk about the Instagram Notes feature that just rolled out. What is it? How do you use it? And also why it may not yet be on your device and what you can do if it's not. So let's go into my Instagram account. Where can we find this Notes feature? You go into your messages, and at the top you'll see your icon, Instagram icon, with a plus symbol and then a leave a note message at the bottom. Just tap on that. And then you have a box here that you can type in your note. I will just type hi there, and you are limited to 60 characters, so you can see where you are with that and how many characters you have. And your note will show for 24 hours when you put up the note, and you won't be notified when you share the note. A couple of options you have with the note is you can have followers who follow you back see it, or you can choose particular friends. I've chosen my Handy Hudsonite account, so that's who I'll share the note with, and then just tap share and you're done. And then you'll see the note attached to your icon up there. If you tap on it again, you'll get this dialog where you can leave a new note or you can delete the note. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Now let's go over into my other Instagram account, my Handy Hudsonite account, and you'll see that I don't have the notes feature yet. And what if you don't see the notes feature? Well, they've only rolled this out into certain countries. I'm in the US, and they've only rolled it out to certain accounts. But don't worry, it's going to be rolled out to everyone eventually, but it's going to take some time. So if you don't have it, there are a couple of things that you can do to ensure that if you have the feature rolled out to you and it's just not showing, you can go into your app store and search out the Instagram app, tap on that, and just make sure this doesn't say update. If it does, you can update it and see if it shows, because I have the latest update of Instagram and it's still not showing on my Handy Hudsonite account, but on my personal account it is. So that's one thing you can do. Another thing that you can do is you could actually 3D press on the Instagram app, and you could remove the app and then reinstall it if you'd like to do that, and see if it shows up. One more thing that you could do, you could just log out of your account. You open up your profile in the menu, go into settings, and scroll all the way down, and you log out of your account and log back in and see if that helps you. So let me know in the comments below any questions you have about Instagram Notes, or what tips you have for getting it on your account if you don't yet see it. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this one. I'll see you in the next video.